Hello and welcome. In today's lecture, we will discuss resume writing, your first step to success. So let's start. First, what is a resume? A resume is a formal document that summarizes your qualifications. It includes your education, skills, work experience, and achievements. It is used to apply for jobs, internships, or academic opportunities. Actually, a resume acts as a snapshot of your professional background. It shows potential employers who you are and what you bring to the table in a concise format. It's your personal marketing tool. Next, importance of a resume. It is the first impression on the employer. It highlights your suitability for the job. It helps you stand out among other candidates. It reflects professionalism and organization. Hiring managers often review dozens of resumes in a short time. A well-structured resume can make you stand out and convince the employer to give you an interview opportunity. Types of resumes. Actually, there are 3 different types of resumes: chronological, functional, and combination. In chronological resumes, it lists work history from the most recent to the oldest. Means your most recent work at the top. It focuses on work history in reverse chronological order. It is best for candidates with strong work experience. Next is functional. It focuses on skills rather than work experiences. It is ideal for career changes or those with gaps. And the last one is the combination resume. It is the mix of both chronological and functional styles. It is useful for professionals with both skills and work experience. So choose the format based on your situation. For example, new graduates may prefer a functional resume, while experienced professionals might opt for a chronological format. Next is the key components of a resume: contact information, career objective or summary, educational background, work experience or internships, skills, certifications or courses, hobbies and interests, or any reference. In the contact information, you should include your full name, phone number, professional email, or LinkedIn profile. In career objective, it is a short and clear statement about your career goals. For example, to obtain a challenging position where I can apply my skills and grow professionally. So, the objective statement states your career goals and how you plan to contribute to the company. You should also include the summary statement if you are experienced professionals. It highlights your key achievements and expertise. Educational background. Mention degrees, institutions, years attended. List from most recent to oldest. Include relevant achievement, if any. Use action verbs like managed, designed, implemented. It tries to quantify your impact. For example, improved customer satisfaction by 15%. Next is the work experience or internship. Job title, company name, location, dates. You should include this information. Use bullet points and action verbs, responsibilities and achievements. So your resume must have this information. Skills. You should include technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills like MS Office, programming language, and soft skills like communication, teamwork, and time management. This section helps recruiters quickly assess your capabilities. Prioritize job-related skills. Certifications show you are proactive and committed to learning. Certifications or courses. Mention any additional training or certifications. For example, complete a digital marketing course from Microsoft. So there are a lot of platforms or universities which provide additional training or certifications. For example, Google provide some additional courses. You can also mention in your resume based on the job responsibilities. Hobbies and interests. You should also include your hobbies, add if they are relevant or reflect useful soft skills. For example, reading, public speaking, sports, volunteering. If you are adding the public speaking as a hobby, it reflects that you have strong communication skills and you are confident. Do not include any irrelevant hobbies such as watching TV, listening music. It put a bad impact on the employer. Common mistakes to avoid. Spelling or grammar error. Must avoid spelling or any grammatical mistake in a resume. Too long or too short. If you are a fresher, you should go for a 1 page. If you are experienced, you should include 2 page, but not more than that. Irrelevant information. Always add precise and accurate information. Do not include any irrelevant information in your resume. Using casual language. Always use a formal language in a resume. Avoid any casual language or informal language. The sample resume includes all the key information, contact information, career objective, educational background, work experience or internship, skills, certifications or courses, hobbies. So conclusion. Your resume is your marketing tool. Keep it updated and relevant. Always update your resume. Practice writing and improving it regularly. Thank you. Thank you for watching.